In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mute someone on WhatsApp. If this helps you, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. So the first thing you're going to do is to open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go ahead and find the chat that you wish to mute. In this case, I'm going to use this one right here as an example. And the only thing you need to do is to swipe to the left. And this will automatically open up two options. You can either archive the chat or you can select more. Once you tap on more, you're going to see the option to mute this chat. So go ahead and select mute as an option. And then you can select for how long you want to mute this chat. You can select always, that is going to mean that the chat is going to be muted forever. You can select 1 week, or if maybe you want to mute the chat for a little while, you can select 8 hours. And that's it. If you want to make sure that the chat is muted, you're going to see this little bell icon with the little line across. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.